Rainwater harvesting for gardening. Imagine using nature's own gift to water your plants. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and most effective ways to create a healthy garden. Instead of letting precious rainwater flow away into drains, you can collect it and store it for later use. All you need is a roof, a pipe, and a storage barrel or tank. As rain falls, it naturally washes down into the container, giving you fresh, chemical-free water. Plants love this water because it is soft, free of salts, and closer to what they receive in nature. By using rainwater, you reduce your dependence on tap water and also save money. During dry seasons, the stored water becomes a blessing, keeping your garden green and alive. It also helps in conserving groundwater and reducing the strain on municipal water systems. Rainwater harvesting is not just about storing water, it's about creating a sustainable cycle where every drop is used wisely. Whether you have a big garden or just a few pots on the balcony, collecting rainwater can make a huge difference in the health of your plants and the environment.